I'll get her ice cream to go with it.
Ice cream with this be excellent.
All right, we'll get ice cream.
Hi everyone, it's Lynn from Lynn Vintage and welcome back to another Retro Cooking Wednesday. Today we are going to do Key Largo Lime Mousse, and we're doing this because it's Mother's Day and my mom loves key lime pie. So I wanted to do this for her because she really needs to eat like gluten-free, and there was no gluten in this. It's kind of like the Weight Watchers fluff, and I wanted her to give me her opinion on it. So with that being said, let's get to that ingredient table. All right, everyone, the stuff that we need for our Key Largo Lime Mousse, we needed a 0.3 sugar-free lime Jello, 2/3 cup of boiling water. I'm going to put that in my tea kettle. We need a tablespoon of fresh lime juice. We needed 2 cups of non-fat vanilla yogurt. I am going to put some coconut yogurt in there because it wanted a quarter teaspoon of coconut extract, and I wasn't going to pay $6 for coconut extract. So I'm going to mix some coconut yogurt in. So I'm going to get 2 cups out of all this yogurt that I have here. And it also wanted a half a teaspoon of rum flavoring. So I do have that. And then it wants a cup of drained crushed pineapple. And then we are going to fluff up our egg whites. We're going to beat our egg whites. So this kind of reminds me of that Weight Watchers fluff. So let's get this stuff started. All right, so I'm going to dissolve our Jello in 2/3 cup of hot water. I just put some in here, and then I'm just gonna add the Jello and fill this up to 2/3. Give it a good stir. And then it says to pour it in the blender container. So I have my good old Vitamix here. I'm just making sure this is all nice and dissolved. So I'm going to let that dissolve in there. And then we add our, I wanted to see because it said cups, it doesn't say ounce measure. So I want to make sure that these are indeed, because this is only, a cup is 8 ounces and this is 5 ounces. So this was the coconut because I wasn't going to pay $6 for coconut flavoring. So I got that, and then I just got 2 regular vanillas. So then I'm just gonna make sure that I get 2 cups out of this yogurt. Add that to our blender. All right, I think if we use all this yogurt, we got a good 2 cups. So I did a mixture of vanilla and coconut. So there's our 2 cups. I'm going to add our dissolved Jello in here. lime juice. So then we need I'm gonna roll my lime. We only need a tablespoon of lime juice. So let's just squeeze a tablespoon of lime juice. Ah! Don't let the lime go flying away though, people. Actually, if I would have put this in the microwave and heated it a little bit, you would get more lime juice out of it. All right, there's our tablespoon. Yogurt and extracts. So we are just going to do the rum extract because we just did coconut yogurt. So we need a half a teaspoon of rum extract. All right, I'm gonna put this and blend it. We'll come back. All right, we have to add 1 cup of pineapple to our blender. I'll add that and come back. All right, so we're gonna separate our eggs. I'm just gonna hurry up and do that in there real quick.
Then we're gonna beat this to stiff peaks. Supposed to pour our Jello mixture into a big bowl. Ooh, that would have been good for St. Patty's Day, huh? All right, let's beat these to stiff peaks. Let's see what happens. On their own, we're gonna call that good.
All right, some nice stiff peaks. We are then gonna fold this into here, right? Egg whites, like to fold egg whites into gelatin mixture. There we go. Let me get a rubber scraper. Fold our egg whites in here. Ooh. All right. So the one thing though, when we are putting our egg whites, folding them in, we don't want to like hurry up and mix them. We just want to gently incorporate them. We don't want to deflate them. Light and fluffy. I just keep scraping on the outside edge, folding it over. All right, and then we are supposed to put this, let me grab our Jello mold. So it says add it to I think 1.5 quart. What is this? Does this even say on here? Tupperware. U.S. patent. It does not say. Well, I'm gonna put it in here. This was really the only decorative Jello mold I had. How can you go wrong with the Tupperware one? I just grabbed some glasses that I will just add leftover to this. Just trying to incorporate some of that egg white a little bit better. It's kind of floating in our Jello. All right, make sure our little bottom is on good. We're gonna, well, actually, it all fits in here. I didn't think it would. Look at that. All right, you guys. Didn't need glasses. There we go. I'm going to refrigerate this and we will unmold it tomorrow. Okay, according to our gel and serve, this is my mom, Lorraine. She's going to help me get our ungel our Tupperware here. Immerse in hot water 20 seconds. Tilting side to side, lift from water, peel off large seal. I'm gonna go put it in some hot water real quick.
Now?
Well, yeah. We need to go 20 seconds.
Blow
all right.
on it.
I'm not gonna blow on it. You blow on it. You got all the hot air, woman. Hang on, we'll get this unfolded. All right, so Mom is gonna peel off the top lid and it's supposed to like fall. Let's see what happens. Did it fall? Oh, it did. It fell. Woohoo! Check that out. We
Beautiful.
did it.
There you go.
All right, lime Jello, because Mom likes, you like key lime pie, don't you, Mom?
Yes, I do.
All right, let's try it. All right. My thing was, does it taste like Weight Watchers fluff? You know how you use with the yogurt?
You think so?
I don't know, but that's kind of what it reminded me of. It's a little bit more limey.
It's really lime. It tastes
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, you like it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, you heard it from the lady herself.
If I had more ice.
I'll get you ice cream, Mom. My mom loves ice cream. I'll get her ice cream to go with it.
Ice cream with this be excellent.
All right, we'll get ice cream. Bye, everyone. This is Lynn from Halen Vintage. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I can't even get that out. Subscribe. Bye.